Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we're doing Christmas at Walmart, and this is part of a collaboration called the 12 Days of Christmas Clothes Collab, and that's being hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living. So I don't know why I haven't been coming into Walmart, guys. They have such beautiful things in here, and I'm only going to show you just a portion of it. Don't hesitate to go to Walmart, guys. Now we do have some co-hosts, and I'm going to go ahead and be linking them down below in the description box along with our channel links. And that includes me. And I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and watch our videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you won't be disappointed. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. So what you want to do is click that subscribe button and then go over to the notification bell and double click on that where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. So here I am at Walmart, and I was watching Simone and with those poinsettias, and I said, I gotta get myself into Walmart. Look at these florals, okay, for Christmas. And I cannot believe all of their ornaments. I am just like, they are just right up there with Hobby Lobby, and for a fraction of the price, guys. So that's all I'm gonna say. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I show you around just a portion of the Christmas area, guys, because it's huge. And I'll see you at the end. So I'm seeing such amazing things here at Walmart. So don't hesitate to go. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.